life will feel boring when you have nothing to do. Whenever you have something in your plate, you have to do something, then you focus on that thing, okay? But when you don't have anything to do, then you feel bored, then you feel the anxiety, then the depression comes, okay? So, how to fix your life? So, fixing life is easy. Just pick one thing that you have the passion and make it your obsession and try to make money out of that. Okay. So, let's say you have the passion for YouTube and you want to start YouTube channel. So, let's say you like cooking, then try making the cooking videos and post on YouTube, and you will feel that you are feeling driven, you are feeling passionate about this. You know a lot of things: what is the impressions, what is the click through rate, what is the conversion rate, how to design the thumbnails, how to write the titles, how to write the descriptions. So my point is, like, when you choose one profession, one niche, that I need to do this thing, then you feel that drive, then you feel that passion, and you can utilize that passion into money. Okay, that's latter part. But when you really driven, that yes, this feels exciting. Okay, so you should feel that curiosity, you should have that curiosity, you feel that, you should feel that excitement. Without curiosity, without excitement, without passion, you cannot, you cannot feel fulfilled, you cannot make any money, any serious money. So the thing is, when you are driven, when you are passionate, when you know what's your job, when you are curious to know more, and you ask more questions, and you want to know more, then only your life will feel exciting. That, let's say, let's do this thing, let's do this thing, do this thing. When you are curious, you find 10 different ways to do one thing, and that makes you different from other people, that makes you elite level player. So if you are feeling bored and your life is stuck, you don't know what to do, the thing is, you just need to follow one thing, one niche, and master that niche, master that game. And while mastering that game, you will feel that excitement. You'll feel the the curiosity, the passion while doing this work. Okay, and yeah, then only you will feel that yes, this is what I'm made for, this is what I'll do, and you will make serious money out of that. Money is not the problem. The problem is you don't have the passion right now, you don't have the curiosity, you don't have the right kind of mindset to work, you don't have a niche to work on, you don't have a area to work on. When you choose your area, that you I need to be extremely good at sales, or I need to be extremely good at persuasion, sales, or email marketing, or anything, you know or digital marketing, whatever it is, then you know that this is my game. Let's say you want to design, let's say you want to do video editing, just give 150% to that passion, to that work. And the process makes you excited, not the result, not the outcome. When you are excited for the process, for the journey, you will get the result. But the excitement, the curiosity is while you do the things, while the process happens. Okay, so just do one thing, pick a niche, and try to make it the best of your life. Give it 150%, give it 200%, and find out 20 different ways to do that. Okay, then only you will be successful, then only you will be feel that driven, that drive in your life, then you feel that joss in your life. Okay, hope you understood this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share. Bye.